Bruh.
First, uninstall the Spotify app from your device. Next, join the xmanager Discord server. Once you're in, go to their download center and get the latest Spotify version. Before installing it, download and install the Windscribe VPN app. You'll need it to connect to the USA server before installing Spotify. Now, install the new Spotify version you downloaded. Once it's installed, open the app. Create a new account. I'm using TempMail to show you, but you can use any email you like.
All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
Now you can enjoy Spotify music without any errors. Just remember, always connect to the VPN while using Spotify.